Clear and Brilliant is great for treating hyperpigmentation as a result of acne or breakouts. When people break out or have acne lesions, sometimes they can get some textural scarring, and other times they just get some dark spots on their face. Today we're going to be treating Cara. She's been doing Clear and Brilliant for quite a few months now, and she's been treating some dark spots as a result of some of the breakouts she gets every month. She's been numbing for 30 minutes. We already wiped her face down and cleaned it with some alcohol, and now we're going to start the treatment. We're going to go ahead and start with your forehead. It's going to be a little bit spicy on the forehead. I would say it's the most uncomfortable, and then it's going to get more comfortable as we start your cheeks.
Okay.
I'm going to count down now. 3, 2, 1. How's that?
Yeah, that's not too bad.
Okay, good. How would you rate the pain on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the worst thing ever?
Oh, I would say a 3 right now.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So the handpiece I'm using now is our original handpiece. I'm going to use a little bit of this science jargon here, but it's a 1440. This one basically just targets a lot of textural problems in the skin, so it actually helps with like pore size and fine lines.
Okay.
And it really helps with that like deeper texture.
Okay.
And then after I do a few passes on this handpiece, I grab our other handpiece, which is a little more on the surface. It treats pigmentation. So when I treat you, I like to target both texture and pigmentation.
Okay. So all the dark spots then would kind of go away.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. In some areas, it feels a little bit more spicier than the others.
Yes.
Do you know why that is?
Well, usually it's the areas that haven't had numbing cream. So once I start to get close to your hairline,
Yes,
where
that's
like
where I feel it.
that's
yeah.
where the numbing cream kind of
Gotcha.
ends.
Okay.
You're like, oh, that's not as
Hello.
numb. Yeah, exactly.
Okay. But it's still bearable. It just like...
Yeah, it's like a little
You feel it.
reminder.
Exactly.
You're like, oh, hi. Especially the eyebrow, because we
Mhm.
don't really rub numbing cream over the eyebrow, so you kind of feel it.
Yes.
But once I move on to the cheeks, it should be a lot better. Okay, go ahead and turn this way. And you are turning a little pink, but it's so subtle that it's really hard to tell. Most of the time when patients get this treatment, or even when I get one,
Yes.
no one really knows.
That's good.
Yes.
I have a lot to do today.
Yeah. That's what I like about this. Very low downtime.
Yes.
So I can always do it, and usually the next day I'm like back to normal.
Right.
I put on a little bit of a tinted sunscreen, a moisturizer.
You just can't work out as much and sweat.
Yeah, that's the only thing, is that I choose this as an excuse to skip my workout.
That's what I'm going to do today.
And you kind of take it easy because you have all this heat going against your skin.
Right.
So you really don't want to heat up your skin anymore.
Yes.
You don't want to sweat. You don't want to do any of that.
Gotcha. Yeah, the cheeks you can't feel at all.
I know. It's great. Your skin has been improving so much.
A lot.
It looks amazing.
A lot of people have noticed too. They're like, you look so good. What have you been doing? So Clear and Brilliant.
Yes.
Because this is probably, well, I forget how many sessions we've done, but just in the first couple of ones that we've done,
Yeah.
there's such a difference already.
Turn this way. Perfect. Thank you. Yeah, I always say you tend to notice a difference even after your first one. It's kind of like, I look brighter.
Yes.
That's why I feel like they picked such a good name for this treatment, because it really does do that.
Right.
Like you just feel kind of, there's like a brilliance about your face.
Yes.
Like diamonds, right?
Diamonds.
Diamond brilliance.
I love that. And it does make your skin clear.
Yes.
Because the acne spots, that's when always driving me crazy. And this is the only thing, I've tried so many different things. This is the only thing I noticed that's really changed and helped it. How many sessions usually until you feel like, for my skin, it would be completely clear?
I feel like it really just depends. I mean, Clear and Brilliant is a great treatment. It's not the answer, right?
Mm-hmm.
Obviously, you have to do good skincare.
Yeah.
you know, wear your sunscreen, avoid the sun if you can. If you ever get a breakout, try not to touch it. But usually I would say anywhere between like 8 to 12 if you want to get that full clearing.
Okay.
Which is normal.
Yeah.
Go ahead and purse your lips for me. There we go. Perfect. Do your nose.
Yeah, I notice I start wearing less and less makeup too.
Oh, don't you love that?
Which I love. Just like a little tinted moisturizer, if anything, but not like anything heavy anymore.
I just feel like that's not in anymore either, right?
Yes.
I'm gonna switch the hand piece. I'm gonna move over. See how quick that is?
So quick.
Such a quick treatment. So now we're doing the Permea handpiece. This one has a 1927 wavelength, which probably doesn't mean much to the public, but basically what this one does is it targets a little more on the surface of your skin as opposed to the other one that goes a little deeper.
Right.
And this one helps more with pigment, so dark spots.
Okay. So the other one's like a deeper one. This is like this more surface. A little more surface,
yes. And they both have different benefits, but they're both extremely good. Another thing I like to mention is that I do get a lot of questions from people asking me, like, is this safe for all skin types?
Yeah.
It is. Like, any skin type and color can do this. I have all ranges. It's a very, very, very safe wavelength of laser. So no matter how much or how little melanin you have in your skin, it's totally safe.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Good to know. And
how would you rate this on a scale of 1 to 10? 10 being the worst.
I feel like this one's even less, like a 2. Yeah. This one I don't feel as much. The deeper one I did feel a little bit more. Yeah, that one tends,
it's a little more noticeable, I feel like. The original handpiece is a little more noticeable.
But this one, even by the hairline, it's not as spicy.
Yeah.
And once a month is usually the time.
Yeah, you can do Clear and Brilliance as early as every 2 weeks. I personally don't recommend that. I do feel like sometimes if we're a little too quick and aggressive with skin,
right,
it might do the opposite of what we're looking for.
Okay.
Especially with darker skin types. So like olive skinned, anything that has like a little bit of a tan or anyone who has a little bit of melanin, I always say like, let's take it easy once a month. We don't want the skin to be like super red and inflamed so frequently.
Yes.
So I always say once a month is good.
Okay.
Skin is sensitive.
Right.
Great. Go ahead and purse your lips in. We're going to do your chin and lip. Great. And then finally your nose. Yeah.
That's my stomach.
That's mine every day, don't worry. Okay, so we're all done with the actual treatment itself.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna grab our nice and cooling jet setter mask.
My favorite part, I told you.
I'm gonna put on our jet setter mask and it's gonna cool off your skin.
Okay, perfect. My favorite part.
So that's it. As you can see, the treatment is super quick. And with that numbing cream, it's very, very minimal discomfort, not too invasive. And you can see she looks great. She can go out in public, just a little bit of redness, some glow. It helps treat her hyperpigmentation. It helps with acne scarring. And it really just helps give you that brilliance you're looking for on your skin. So Kari here, I just advised her not to work out for about 24 hours. Nothing that's gonna really raise her body temperature, make her sweat. We just wanna minimize any irritation because she's feeling a little hot right now. So we wanna kind of keep that hot where it is, not add any more heat to it. And that's really it. Thanks for watching Clear and Brilliant by LaserAway. I'm Nurse Holly. Bye.
Ready to be a laser babe? 3 steps. 1, subscribe to our channel. 2, watch more amazing videos. And 3, schedule your free virtual consultation for any of our services by clicking the link below. Then we can be friends in real life. Bye.